Hi there. In this video, we will demonstrate you how to install the XStore theme on your website. Join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram channels, and visit our website. The first step is to set up hosting and install WordPress on your server. To ensure optimal performance, please ensure that your server is configured in accordance with the minimum requirements outlined in the XStore documentation. To obtain the latest version of the theme, log into your ThemeForest account and navigate to the Download section. Locate your XStore purchase and download the installable WordPress file only. Once you have the installation file, go to your website with a clean installation of WordPress. Log in as an administrator to the dashboard and navigate to Appearance. Click Themes. Then Add New Theme. Select the XStore archive and ensure that you are not choosing the full zip package file that contains documentation and other files. After selecting the file, click Install Now. If you encounter an error message during this step, it may be due to limitations on your server's file size upload capacity. Some hosts have small file upload limits by default, but this can be resolved by contacting your hosting company to increase the limit or making the change yourself through cPanel or by uploading the theme file via FTP. Our support team is also available to assist you. After completing the successful installation of the XStore theme, it is important to activate it. A welcome window from XStore will appear, where you will be prompted to activate the theme using a purchase code and agree to the license policy. To obtain the necessary license certificate and purchase code, navigate to the ThemeForest Download section and download license certificate and purchase code. You will find a code that must be entered to activate the theme on your site. Once the theme is activated, you will have access to all of its features. We recommend importing the demo version to add sample content to the site, making it easier to customize the elements to fit your needs. To import the demo version, click on Import, read the informative text, and follow the step-by-step instructions. For added safety and ease of customization, we also recommend installing and using a child theme. The child theme inherits the functionality of the parent theme and offers a safe and straightforward way to make modifications and add additional functionality. To further customize your site, you can use the page builder in Elements and install any necessary plugins. Installing the full demo content may take some time. As soon as it is ready, you will be able to immediately view the result and begin working on your project. We extend our gratitude for your purchase of XStore. We hope that it will serve you well, and we wish you the best of luck with your website. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support, and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore theme and join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.